So some packages just landed. I'm gonna take these in and I'm gonna see you guys in the room. And we are back in the room with the packages, obviously. A lot of you guys said box the shoes so you have more space in the room, but I'm not doing that because I like walking in and seeing this beautiful view, so no. Anyhow, let's get straight to it. I'm gonna do these two first. Alright, literally in the first two boxes, just pairs of Zions, and I'm not gonna lie, I already know what's in those two, so I'm just gonna show you guys in one sec. Kapow. We got 15, literally 15 pairs of the Zions. Another 30 coming in on the way. And a lot of you guys have been asking me if this is shoe to hold or like invest. Personally, I'm just flipping them quickly. I'm not holding them. But let me know you guys' thoughts on the shoe. Is it good? Is it nice? Would you wear this? I personally wouldn't, but let me know what you guys think. Alright, TikTok. So we just came back from a 4-hour cash out. Went around the city in Detroit and just cashed out pairs. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got exactly. So take a look and guess what I cashed out 11 pairs on. If you guessed the smoke grays, you're in a kiss on the cheek. I'm wearing socks, so I think we're fine. And kaboom, all lids are out. I don't know, something about this pair just makes me fall in love with it. But overall, I want to buy at least 30 pairs of the shoe. And the final shoe in the trunk is, bam, a size 11 OG All. Game Royals? I don't even know what they're called. I forgot what they're called, but I got them for a good price. But yeah, if you're selling this pair in Michigan or in Detroit, let me know. I'm cashing out heavy. Y'all know the drill. Alright, so we got 4 pairs of shoes. First one is obvious. A pair of Travis Scott 6s. Size 11. Dead stock, so if anyone wants, DM me. We got an Air Jordan 1 box. Kind of hurt lid, but no worries. Woo! We got Court Purples in a size 8. Dead stock. 1.0s, by the way. These ain't no 2.0s, so if you know, you know. Can you guess what's in this box? Last chance. Ooh! If you guess the Zion, you get a kiss on the cheek with socks on. So we got another pair of size 10. And last box. Can you guys guess what's on this box? Last chance, you might get 2 kisses, man. Psych. Oh my god, these are beat. But we got a pair of Statics, size 10. Oh, 10. Alright, fellas, so we just got 3 pairs of hype shoes for retail. Let me show you guys what I got. First box, Jordan 5 Grapes, size 9.5. Second box, it's Jordan 1 box, so you guys know what it is. Oop. Size 9.5 as well. Money size. Literally both for retail. And the last one too. And the last one is This Is Trash, but someone decided to put the tape on the edge. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but the only way for me to open this, cut through the cardboard, there's cardboard right here, and cut the tape itself. And that would ruin the box, but nonetheless, all for retail. So very recently, I got sponsored by Sneaker Supplies on Instagram, and they decided to give me a couple of their items, so let's see what we got. This thing is huge, Keep all. Honestly, it's not that bad. It looks kind of dope, low-key. Only thing I'm gonna say is that there is a little crease line across the thing because of the shipment, because it was folded. But overall, from like a far away, it looks kind of dope. You can put your shoes on top. You know what I'm saying? It looks kind of dope. Looks kind of something light. It's a big piece, so I can definitely put this somewhere as a design kind of. Oh yeah, and they plugged me with 2 cool lighters, so not bad. So shout out to Sneaker Supplies. Check them out on Instagram. Definitely enjoyed the product. Sheesh. So I bought 15 pairs of the same shoe, and I'm about to profit over $100 in the next hour by selling them. So let's see what I got. So I thought 15 arrived, but only 10 did. So nonetheless, let me show you guys what I got. And we got 10 pairs of bricks. The Jordan 11 black cement. And these are damn ugly, but I bought each pair for $200, and I'm about to sell them to someone for $220 each. Do the math. I'm not good at math, but that's easy profit literally today. So, you know, light work this morning. Nothing big. Here's a confirmation email on my brother's phone. But the account that I copped it on is set up on an address all the way in Florida. Meaning I have to wait until it gets to Florida, then ship it from Florida to me in Detroit. And that's 2 extra weeks.
Stop the capping. Stop the capping.
Oh. I bought this pair literally in June 6th. It took StockX literally a month to ship me my blue furries.
I be doing weird shit when I'm alone. Bitch give me head like she fell asleep on the phone. I know I might end up dead, cause I've been living wrong, bro. Ain't no pop star, but it's Drake singing songs.
Bro, I am literally so heated right now. You know what I'm saying? Peep the Gucci's, but I literally just came out, right? And my box is literally open. I haven't like opened it with the knife. You know, the knife I opened it with, I didn't even touch that yet. So it's literally already open. And let's just hope it's not finesse. I think it's fine. But like, I don't even know how UPS did this. Like, the box is destroyed and it's open. First box, we got a pair of Turbo Greens and a pair of Zion size 12. Oh, some light. If you see anything you like, hit me up on my IG. Ooh, another pair. And we got an ugly pair of Yeezys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th pair. Probably like 30 more coming in. And just remember, fellas, story sale coming this Saturday. So if you see anything you like on the screen, I'm selling it, dropping some steals. So make sure to follow my Instagram at JakeYourSneakers. Link is in my bio.
Weezy out of here. Weezy out. Weezy out.
Lot of money, I can have a cash boy. Flew back across the water with a passport. Lamborghini yours is a fast boy. I'm around the world securing me a bad boy. Call the bro neighbor like an next door.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my god!
Man, this guy's funny. I'm nowhere near a king of holding my friend, but I'm gonna help you out. To start off, when you're holding or considering holding a pair of shoes, you want to have faith in it. I had faith in my Air Jordan 1 Fearless. I bought around 15 pairs, held them for like 2 months, and now I'm profiting around like $150 to $100 a pair. You want to make sure you see a pattern in the shoe rising, and you want to have faith in it. Like I said, you want to make sure that this color is like, damn, this color is nice. And not only is it nice, but you want to make sure that it's wanted by people. People want to wear it. There's demand for the shoe. So my personal opinion, unless you're buying in bulk for like to hold a pair of shoes, if you're holding one pair of shoe for like 2 months to gain like 50 bucks, is it really worth it? Like, you basically made 50 bucks within 2 months, which is not that bad. You're still like $50 richer, but for 2 months, that's just trash. All right, what up, fellas? So this guy, right? This guy tried selling me some shoes. He says I have some Travis Scotts and some Off-Whites to sell. I told him send pics. He sends the pics. He sends the pics, yada, yada, yada. I'm scrolling and I find this picture right here. This picture right here, right? Here's a close-up of it and it says UA Kicks. And if you don't know, UA Kicks means, like, stands for unauthorized kicks, unauthorized authentic. In other words, it's fake, basically. So this guy literally tried selling me fake without even trying to crop the fucking website off. So if you're trying to sell me fakes, just like do a better job, please, and thank you. All right, fellas, we have another icing session to do, so let's get right into it. Start off, I have these Concords hella yellowed. Looks like fucking piss, but we're gonna change that right now. Grab my Salon Care 40, pour it onto the bowl. Looks like the sunscreen, but nonetheless, grab the shoes. We grab the Salon Care 40 and just spread it onto the soles. And kapow, here's the ending result. Now we just gotta wrap it up. And kapow, all set. Now we just gotta do the second shoe. All right, so second pair is all set. Now we gotta put them in the ice box. First shoe, second shoe, and now for the UV light. Like and comment for part 2. Yo, so I got this box in the mail, and this man paid $66. Oh, it's 1-day shipping, never mind. But nonetheless, I'm gonna open it real quick. Oh, nah, bro. If you know, you know. Sheesh. Nah, these is tough. Oh my god, I love this question so much. So how do I build trust? Let's say you're a small page and you want to build trust so people can buy from you and gift you. To start off, you want reliable references, reliable reviews, basically. Because if you have 20 reviews from people that are like just not known in the Instagramming community or reselling community, like I just don't care. But let's say I, JQ Sneakers, want to buy from you and I check your like review post or reference post. I find my homies, Tri-State Steels, Brown Boy, bunch of my homies like Sneaker Souffle, 760 Kicks, all these people on there. I will feel somewhat comfortable to gift you. I'm like, okay, yeah, I see this person has done like business with like bigger accounts and they trust him and they said business went smooth. So I might gift him. I personally don't gift whatsoever, but yeah, that's how I think you build trust. So I've been through that, man. So if you're a small page and you can't move stuff and you're just stuck with an item, you might have to lose money. But if you look at the bright side, that's a lesson learned, not to mess with that item, not to mess with that shoe, not to mess with it, but whatever. Point is, get that money back, get as much money as you can and reinvest. Oh, but before you give up, try using every platform. Try using Depop, eBay, OfferUp, Letgo. I don't know, I started over there, but try using every platform to like get as much money as you can from the item you bought. What did I say, bro? What did I say? Alright, fellas, so a lot of you guys been DMing me on IG, asking me about reselling, asking me how to start reselling, asking me what shoes to invest in, etc. All kinds of questions. So if you have any questions, just comment it down below, and if it's worth me responding to it with a video, I'll respond to it. So yeah, drop some good questions. Alright, TikTok, so a lot of you guys know that I'm having a story sale later today on my Instagram. And a small little sneak peek of a seal that I'm selling is this pair right here. I'm selling a pair of Royal Toe size 10.5 for $190. What's going to happen is I'm posting this pair on my story, and first 10 people to swipe up will be put into a raffle to win these bad boys for $190 plus ship. All you have to do is go to my Instagram, link is in my bio, repost the latest post on your story to be eligible to be put into this raffle, and easy as that, you can win a size 10.5 Royal Toes for retail. Alright, TikTok, so I'm about to show you guys my worst investment ever. So, not the Chick-fil-A, but we got the Jordan 13 Flints in a size 6.5 wide. I recently bought the shoe for $160, and I kid you not, I've had this shoe for like 2 months, 3 months. Ever since they like dropped, I don't know when they dropped, but ever since they dropped, no one has bought it for like $160. I've been trying to get rid of them, not lose money, no one bought them. And so finally, after however long I've had them for, I'm finally selling them today for $10 profit. So, you know, Bill Gates and this bitch. But now, I'm just waiting for the chick to pull up with her husband. You know, she brought her mans with her because JQ on the sneakers, you know what I'm saying? I want to feel safe either.
One of them are.
Alright, fellas, we made it, and we just made $10. So yeah, moral of the story is don't invest in that damn shoe. Alright, TikTok, here's a huge advice for my new resellers. If you want to invest in a shoe that will skyrocket by next year, invest in this pair right here. The new Yeezy Release Foam Runners. This pair is definitely not the best looking, but I'm definitely 100% positive this pair is going to skyrocket by next year. I bought this pair a week ago with the StockX payout being $360. And within the span of a week, the shoe payout is worth $400. So I promise you guys, this is just the difference between a week. I can sell this and make easily $40 profit. But I know this shoe is going to skyrocket, so I'm just going to wait for it till next year. Alright, TikTok, so a 2,500 package just landed. I'm having a story sale very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. But nonetheless, let's see what's in them. So first pack came with free Bape socks. Interesting, from Sneaker Souffle, so shout out to the home. But by the box, you guys can tell that we got some Travis Scott 6s, size 11 dead stock. So once again, shout out to the homie for the free socks. I'm gonna unbox these all together just to save some time, so... And this is what we got, fella. 5 pairs of Zions and a pair of the Foam Runners. I really want everyone's opinion on this shoe. I really don't like him, not a fan, but if I was you, I would invest in this shoe right here. It's been going up like crazy and it's gonna keep going up, so this is a great shoe to hold. But nonetheless, shout out to everyone who sold to me. And remember, fellas, having a story sale very, very soon. All these shoes will be listed on my story on Instagram at JQ Sneakers. The link is in my bio. And yeah, don't forget to follow me. Oh my god. It's gonna be like a 3-round trip, so I'll see you guys in the room. And we are back in the room. I don't think the shoes are gonna fit in here anymore, so I'm gonna have to find another spot. But I'm gonna start with this pile. All right, so in the first box, we had 4 pairs of the Zions. Not bad. And now, let's do these 2. Second box, we had a pair of Sakai, size 12 dead stock, and a pair of the Smoke Grays and a size, I forgot what size. Dope shoes, but I just got to put the Smoke Grays where it belongs with its buddies. This way it's not low. I'm pretty sure all these were GUA, so I have to pay for them right now as we speak. And if you want to see what's